Hi everyone, we're here today to talk to you about setting up your sales tax in Odoo. Um, just to start out, I will let you know that I am not affiliated with Odoo. I am not getting paid for this. I am just a regular user sharing some information. If you'd like more information on Odoo, please just visit them at odoo.com. All right, so if you need to set up your sales taxes in odoo.com, what we're going to do is we're going to go into accounting, we're going to go to configuration, and we're going to go to settings. And we're going to scroll down to our taxes. Now, the first thing they want to do is they want to ask us our default taxes. So this is what tax rate are you most likely going to want to be looking for when you're doing your invoicing and entering in your bills. Now, the one great thing about Odoo is that all of your tax rates are already set up. So if we go to configure taxes, this is exactly where it's taking us. And you'll see that every single rate and combination is here ready to go for you, all set up. So that's fabulous. You may want to go through and make anything that you're not going to be using inactive. That'll just make your life just slightly easier. So, that's something you'll want to go through and do. But now we're going to go back to our settings here. So this is where we're going to want our default taxes. Now, they want to know what tax return periods you have. So some people are set up annually, some people are set up monthly, some people are set up quarterly. So wherever you are is where you, set this up for. It is going to send you a reminder, which is perfect, so you never have to worry about forgetting to file your sales tax. And then this is just which journal you want to go in. It's set up for miscellaneous, it's defaulting to miscellaneous. You're more than welcome to set up a sales tax one if you want to. So now we're just going to hit save. It's going to want us to do that. We've done that. And now what we really have to do here is we have to configure our tax accounts. Now what this is doing, so these are the groups, right? So here, we look at our taxes and we see all these tax rates. Now all these different tax rates have been, hold on one second and I will show you, can be, and already have been grouped. So this one here, so the group taxes, includes all this GST, all these different rates have been put into taxes. Your GST have these rates going on. This PST rate have these rates going on. So all the groups have been set up for you. Okay? So you don't have to worry about that. So now, but what they're asking for here is they are asking for what account do you want when you send out an invoice and you charge taxes and you now owe that money to the government, what account do you want this to go into? All right. Now, fortunately, if you look at your chart of accounts, all of these are already set up, once again, ready to go, except for this account, which I'm going to explain to you in a second. I set this one up myself. But so for our intents and purposes here, for just all over taxes, I'm just going to say GST to pay. Okay, so that's what I'm going to choose for that one. When I pay out GST or under anything under this tax rate, I'm now going to put GST receivable. All right. And now tax advance account. This is when you've made extra payments to sales taxes. Okay, so you've prepaid some taxes. So I've already set this account up as prepaid sales taxes. So if you sent in some money, it's going to be in there. Okay. So same thing here. So now we're going to go down. So like here for our HST. Our HST, if we just click that, HST 13%. I'm going to click HST payable. Going to go to tax receivable. I'm going to say HST receivable 13%. And my tax advance account is still going to be the prepaid sales taxes. Okay. Now for this account here, for this group here, you may want to go in, just depending on your needs, If you're not really going to be using a lot of these, it might be fine. But, you may want to go in and set up separate accounts, for your PST Saskatchewan, or maybe for your PST British Columbia. But that's going to be up to you, okay? So that's that. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out at any time, okay? Thank you very much, and you have an excellent day.